Asterisk if you're in the market for a compact, luxurious motorhome that doesn't compromise on performance or style, then the Winnebago built on a Mercedes-Benz chassis might just be the perfect match. Today, we're diving into what makes this Class C RV such a standout in the world of recreational vehicles and why so many travelers are making the switch. Asterisk, let's start with the foundation, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This isn't just a base frame, it's a powerhouse of engineering. Known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and advanced safety features, the Sprinter provides a smooth and confident driving experience. Whether you're navigating winding mountain roads or cruising down the interstate, the 3.0L V6 turbo diesel engine delivers quiet power, complemented by a 7-speed automatic transmission for refined shifting and optimal fuel economy. Asterisk, from the moment you step into the cockpit, it feels more like you're in a high-end SUV than a motorhome. With adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, active brake assist, and blind spot monitoring, Mercedes-Benz has packed in the kind of safety tech that gives peace of mind on every journey. The cab seats are fully adjustable, heated, and upholstered in premium materials for long-distance comfort. Asterisk, but of course, a motorhome is more than just what's under the hood. Winnebago has taken the Mercedes chassis and designed a living space that blends style, practicality, and comfort seamlessly. Inside, you'll find residential quality furnishings, contemporary interior decor, and smart use of space throughout. Depending on the model, slide-outs dramatically expand the living area, giving you a surprisingly roomy feel even in more compact builds. Asterisk, one of the standout features is the galley kitchen. Equipped with a 2- or 3-burner range, a convection microwave, a stainless steel sink, and a residential-style refrigerator, it makes cooking on the road both practical and enjoyable. Ample cabinetry means you're not sacrificing storage, and the solid surface countertops add a refined touch. Asterisk, the living area typically includes a convertible dinette or sofa, sometimes both, depending on the layout. Entertainment features like a high-definition TV, a soundbar, and satellite system prep make it easy to relax after a long day of adventuring. Soft LED lighting, large panoramic windows, and premium finishes give it the feel of a luxury condo on wheels. Asterisk, moving to the rear, you'll often find a dedicated bedroom space with either twin beds that can be converted into a king or a full queen bed, again depending on the model. Storage surrounds the sleeping area, including overhead cabinets and underbed compartments. Winnebago pays careful attention to the layout to ensure privacy and comfort, which makes a big difference whether you're parked for a night or spending weeks on the road. Asterisk, the bathroom area is compact but surprisingly functional, featuring a full shower, flush toilet, and a sink with counter space. Winnebago designs these spaces with smart ergonomics and high-quality materials that stand up to regular use. Asterisk, outside, the features continue with an integrated awning, LED lighting, exterior speakers, and often an exterior TV or entertainment center. There are also easy-access storage compartments, hookups for power and water, and optional upgrades like solar panels and lithium battery systems for those who like to camp off-grid. Asterisk, what really makes the Winnebago on a Mercedes-Benz chassis special is the marriage of automotive engineering and thoughtful design. It's a motorhome that drives like a luxury vehicle and lives like a tiny house. Ideal for solo travelers, couples, or small families, it's versatile enough for weekend getaways and extended road trips alike. Asterisk, if you've been considering leveling up your RV experience, this could be the one. Whether you're chasing sunsets, visiting national parks, or exploring small towns off the beaten path, this rig is built to take you there in style, comfort, and confidence.